Hello and welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. So today, in the last episode, we just discussed on how to use the studio itself, so how to create a part like that. So today we're actually going to be looking at print. So what print means is when you are inserting a script and you want to say debug it, it will print something like hello world at the bottom. Now to do this, we click on our object and then we click on this plus sign, or you can right click and then click insert object and then we go into script. So automatically this will place something known as print. So it will print hello world. So when we actually go into this game, so if we press play and load our game, you'll notice that we have actually got a script saying hello world right here. So if we were to add another one and add another script, it would put hello world twice. We can edit this script. So if we go into here and then we go into press script, we can actually say hello semantic followers. So if we save that script now, which it will automatically save, and now we press run, it will come up again, hello semantics followers. So this is literally just used for de-rigging your script or finding out what's happening to your script. So you'll actually place this if you'd written an entire load of code. Say we wrote a load of code here, you would actually be using this to like tell you what script is being run. So for example, if we had a variable, no, not a variable, if we had a function, so a function to call on if the player was actually joining the game, then we would put print player join the game just to check this function. So, So here we are, we've just made a new function, so local function printer, and this function is working. So game players player added connect, we won't go over this on this video, but game the players player added connect printers. So this makes the function printer work, and this will print function is working. So if we press play, there you go, you can see this function is working. So this is literally just a sort of debugging area to put into your scripts, just so you know that it's working, that it's definitely connecting when you're wanting it to connect. And yeah, that is the video for today. Thank you for watching. Next video we will be going over variables, so stay tuned tomorrow for that, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.